Hello, hi guys. Am I audible? Can you please send yes in the chat box if I'm audible? Hi guys, just let's wait for 2 more minutes. Let everyone join, right? And then we will start. Also, guys, I am sharing a YouTube webinar link also for the same. If any one of you is having any issue in the Zoom, they're not able to hear me or there is any glitch, so you can join the YouTube link also. It's a little bit feasible for you guys. I just shared it on the chat, so you can join that link also. Hi guys, I hope I am audible. Can you please confirm this in the chat box? Hello. Yes. Cool guys. So let's start. So I am from AccioJob team, right? Let me give you the little bit brief idea of what we do, right? So our founders are from IIT Delhi, and we have been running the startup from last 6 years, right? We were also featured on top LinkedIn startup in last year. So we are trying to bridge the gap between the skilled employees and the companies, right? Which is the major gap in the IT field as of now, right? A lot of you think there are no job, but if I tell you the truth, there are many jobs in the IT field, but the only thing which companies are looking for are skilled developers, right? So we are trying to bridge that gap only, and for that purpose only, today we have this pre-placement talk, right? And let me give you the brief idea about the company for which we are having this. So yes, so today we have a team from the FanCraze, right? We have their founders, Anshumam and Vishal sir also. So FanCraze, so FanCraze is founded by Stanford University founders, right, alums, and they have been running this startup, and they have raised around $100 million till now. So let me give the brief idea. So FanCraze is a platform for cricket related NFTs, right, in partnership with ICC. So they will make the trading marketplace live on its website, owning FanCraze NFTs, which will allow users to build NFT collection across a platform, particular match and a series. Okay, and to get an opportunity to interact with their favorite cricketers or use NFT across upcoming apps and play to earn games to earn financial reward also in the FanCraze metaverse. So which is the new thing, right? You must all have heard about metaverse,
So,
right? So they are.
hey, am I audible?
Yes, hi Anshubham. Yes,
Hi, hi. So, I'll be happy to introduce the company and to give a brief to everyone involved.
yes, yes.
Can you enable my video? I'd love to,
Sure, sure, sure. Just give me a second. Yes, yes, definitely. Yes, you can now turn on camera also.
all right.
Cool. So you
Uh,
can continue.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Hi, everyone. I am Anshum Bhamri. I'm the co-founder and CEO of FanCraze Technologies. As has been mentioned in the introduction, we are a cricket-related startup. I'll tell you a little bit about myself, about my company, and about the potential role that we're recruiting for. But let me start off by thanking each and every one of you for taking out time on a Sunday afternoon to come and hear me tell you a little bit about what we're building. My background, I am originally from Bombay. I studied computer science like a lot of you growing up, and I went to Stanford to study financial mathematics. I worked in big investment banks, trading structured products, and also advising tech companies like Apple, Google, Microsoft, eBay, PayPal, and LinkedIn. A passion project of mine was building a video game back in 2014. This was a shooting video game where a couple of cowboys go in Texas and loot gold. And we made decent amount of money and also got 2 million paid downloads for this iPhone game. So at that point in time, I was very clear that I want to build products that appeal to everyone. Games, sports, entertainment. These are themes that are consistent and that cut through people from different age brackets, different kinds of financial backgrounds. Everyone kind of likes these kind of experiences, and that's something that was, completely entrenched in my mind. Over the last few years, we've seen a lot of breakthrough technologies that have come through. Artificial intelligence is having its moment in the sun at this point in time. Blockchains are a major, major breakthrough where they've allowed us to disintermediate trust. where we're able to actually transact without trusting any centralized parties. And an innovation that we've come up with at FanCraze is using blockchain technology. So at Essence, we have collectively formed a team. So there are three co-founders. One of them is me. The other one is Sundar Raman. Sundar started the IPL, the Indian Premier League, along with Lalit Modi. Lalit Modi was out in a couple of years. Sundar ran the IPL till 2016 as its CEO, after which he was hired by Mr. Mukesh Ambani to go ahead and build Reliance Sports. Sundar built Reliance Sports for 5 years. One of the important properties owned by Reliance Sports, of course, is Mumbai Indians. All of you must be aware of that as well. Sundar currently is building FanCraze. He's also a special advisor to MS Dhoni and the Chennai Super Kings. And he's building the SA20 League, which is the T20 league that Cricket South Africa just launched a couple of years ago. So we are very deeply entrenched as a founding team in the sport of cricket, very passionate about it. And at FanCraze, we're official partners of the ICC. So the product that all of y'all who are interested in working at FanCraze are going to be working on is going to be called ICC Super Team. What exactly is ICC Super Team? So we have the rights to licensed videos from ICC. So from 1975 till 2025 and beyond, ICC conducts certain events every year, right? They've conducted a World Cup for the men. Currently, there's a Women's World Cup that is going on. Unfortunately, India lost to New Zealand. India is playing Pakistan today. That's a big game. They conduct under 19 tournaments as well. FanCraze has the rights to all of the official licensed video from all of these ICC events. And FanCraze has built gaming and trading experiences around these licensed videos. So the first product that we have is what we call as moments. So you can basically take clips of actual cricket that has happened, Virat Kohli 6 to Haris Rauf, MS Dhoni 6 to win us the World Cup, Jasprit Bumrah's amazing Yorker, Kapil Dev lifting the trophy, Ricky Ponting pulling a six in the World Cup final, Brian Lara's amazing cover drive, Adam Gilchrist's his amazing cover drive. All of these moments that are etched in our minds, we take those video clips and we make moments of them. And these moments become scarce, tradable, and gamifiable. That's what we've done. So on FanCraze, you have three mechanisms. You have the pack drop mechanism. So anyone can come and spend anywhere between 10 rupees and 1,000 rupees and buy a pack. They don't know what's in it. They have an idea, like they have a list of 10, 20, 30 players and moments that they can get. But then they open the pack. It's exactly like a Kinder Joy chocolate or, the trump cards we used to buy as kids. When you open the pack, you realize what exactly you've pulled. Are you lucky enough to pull a Virat or a Surya or a Hardik? Or, have you gotten a moment from someone from the UAE or Paul Sterling from Ireland or something like that? That's the first product. Effectively, that's what we sell, right? We sell packs of moments and then people pull certain moments. But what if you pull something you don't like? We have a peer-to-peer marketplace on the platform where all of our global community that opens packs and owns moments actually lists their moments for sale. So what this does is two things. It incentivizes collectors to collect exactly the players and the teams and the moments they want. And it allows for people to flip their moments for profit. So this makes it a little bit of a collecting game plus a trading game, right? We've seen a lot of people that invested in Yashasvi Jaiswal 3 years ago. He only had played the under 19 World Cup. He was someone people were very bullish on. And then he got selected in the IPL. So if you saw his moment, it almost behaved like a pseudo stock. The minute someone breaks through from under 19 to the main team or becomes an IPL star, the prices of their moments and their assets go up. So in some sense, it's a collecting platform, it's an investing platform, and it's a trading platform. The next piece in the puzzle is how do you derive utility from these moments? Yes, not everyone's a fan. We've got a fantasy game called Super Team. So you take the moments that you own and you build a team of 6 players. Something similar to Dream 11, but there's a team of 6. The difference is you need to own the players that you can put in your team. So it's almost like saying, I'm building my own club. That's what we even call it within the product. It's your own club. And of course, the fantasy game has prizes, it's engaging, it's fun. And what we're building now through our app we are going to launch our app for the first time, because so far blockchain content was not allowed by Google in the App Store. We've been able to take permission, and starting from now, we're going to launch an app called ICC Super Team, which is what most of you all are going to be working on. And we're going to grow it, hopefully to millions and millions of users. And our price point is going to be between 10 rupees and 300 rupees. Those are the kind of purchases that are going to be in the platform. Just to give you a little bit of an idea on our marketing strategy, our brand ambassadors. So we've got the who's who of cricket. So Rohit Sharma, MS Dhoni, Virat Kohli, Surya Kumar Yadav, Jasprit Bumrah, Hardik Pandya. Just like you've seen them in Dream 11 ads, we've got the exact same strategy where these players are going to be the brand ambassadors who are going to come in ads, who are going to be on the platform, we're going to make short films and podcasts and stuff for them to market ourselves. And the big launch is going to be before the Champions Trophy, because it is the next big tournament happening in cricket. That will be followed by the IPL, which will be followed by the World Test Championship. And the cricket calendar is a full one. The important thing for us is that we are the only person who can build this business, because the ICC rights are exclusive. No one else has these rights, and we've got them for many, many years. From a funding perspective, we are a very well-funded startup. We raised 120 million from the who's who of Silicon Valley. So whether it's Tiger Global, Sequoia Capital, Insight Partners, B Capital, we've even raised money from Cristiano Ronaldo. We're also speaking with Lionel Messi's family office to see if there's interest in him investing in us. And we are currently almost at a cash flow break-even, almost cash flow positive. So from a revenue perspective, whatever money we've raised, it's in the bank account. We're not burning through it. It's there. We've got almost 10 to 15 years of runway. So there's no problem from our perspective to kind of like run out of money or need to raise more money. We are self-sufficient and we're in control of our own destiny as a company. What we want from all of you all now, we're looking for junior developers. We're looking for people who are passionate, who actually believe in creating an industry, who want to give us time. So from our perspective, we are a startup. We don't want to hire lots and lots of people. We're just 45 people so far. We want to hire 10 to 15 junior engineers. We're not going to grow like all of the other companies that keep hiring, and then they fire. Our approach is very simple. If we like someone, we want that person to spend 10 years with us. That's our time frame. And we are very willing to partake in equity, cash, all types of incentives and rewards. The only thing that's, par for course for us is you need to be good at your work, and you need to be dedicated to the company. That's exactly how, that's exactly the culture that exists at the company, and that's exactly what we wish to promote in the future as well. So that's a little bit about us. I give it back to the AccioJob team. If there's any specific questions they have for me that they would want me to cover and answer, so that it would be helpful for all of you to learn more about what we do. But that being said, giving it back to AccioJob. Hello? So you're
I
saying, so
I guess Anshum, there people have asked few questions. We can
okay,
take it up.
I'm going to look at a couple of questions. I think one of the questions was, there are already certain types of apps in the market like this. Actually, that's not true, because as I mentioned in my brief as well, we're the only company in the world that has the rights to official video content. We're the only company that can actually create licensed IP using the ICC. So there is actually no competition possible. Think of this almost like as Star. So if Star wins the rights to show the World Cup, they are the only ones that can show the World Cup in India. No one else can. This is exactly like that. So it's an exclusive partnership. The main sell for us is the IP. The fantasy game is just a utility of the assets that you own. It's something that obviously incentivizes people, it engages people. But our core use case is not to compete with Dream 11. Our core use case is to actually let people consume cricket clips. Like if you think about it, right? Like today, if you want to watch cricket clips, there's no place to watch it. YouTube takes everything down very quickly. If you look at Hotstar or Geo Cinema, they've got 15, 20-minute long highlights that they keep on their platform for a few days. Like, just go on Hotstar or Geo and try searching for a specific 30-second, 1-minute clip. That's not there. In our product, we have an almost Instagram type of feed of the best clips of cricket. You can watch list those clips, you can share those clips, you can actually own those clips for anywhere between 10 and 300 rupees, and you can build a digital scrapbook of sorts. And the best part is that you can make lots and lots of money if you actually build a good collection by winning in the games, by building the right type of collection. There's a question that's come up on the CTC. I think that's something we leave to the AccioJob guys. Any questions regarding the format of the interviews? No, there are no bonds. Why are you only stuck in cricket? Cricket's huge. We need to first make cricket big. I think there's enough potential for us to actually, first go very, very deep in cricket, after which we can figure out what the rest of, the rest of the sports. That's our approach. Again, a lot of questions coming in on the exam, the hiring process, the CTC. All of those are better to be answered by
Absolutely.
the job team.
Absolutely. Thanks, Shman, right, for the great info about the company. I'll take it up from here. The
Okay.
students, right, you're going to have your offline test at an order center tomorrow and day after. Whatever slots you're chosen, please be on time. Whatever questions you may have, you can directly reach out to the AccioJob team. You have our email, right, as well as support number. You can reach out to us. We're looking forward to have you all there to give the offline test. And few students are also asking that can test be online. No, guys, test cannot be online. It has to be offline only. That too in our center. Thank you so much. Right.
Okay. Thanks
Anything else
everyone.
you'd like to add? Shman?
No, that's it. And last thing, my name's Anshum, not Anshuman.
Yeah.
All right. Bye, guys. See you.
One
Perfect,
thing,
Anshul.
sorry. One thing, Basu, I saw
Mm-hmm.
questions, people
Mm-hmm.
asking question about the tech stack. So I
Mm-hmm.
would like to give a update on the tech stack.
Mm-hmm.
So we are mostly a JavaScript company. We built our tech stack on the React.js and Node.js. Node.js is the prime backend, and on the database side, it's mostly MongoDB. There are few places where we have traces of relational database in terms of PostgreSQL. Then we are heavily dependent on Redis for a lot of things, in not just for caching, but there are a lot of things that we do with the Redis. We built our PubSub architecture on Redis. We built our leaderboard on Redis. So Redis is one thing which is very, very important. And then on the if you talk about, people ask whether we are a web or app platform. So we are right now web platform. We have built our app, but there are certain app policies that we need to comply with, and that's what we are speaking with partners. Partners mean Apple and Google, and post that we'll be coming up with that. So there's few things that I wanted to highlight. Also, blockchain remains our most important partner because our NFTs are kind of property on the blockchain, and that's why the blockchain remains very important. And we are on the Flow blockchain. So there are a lot of blockchains. We are on Flow blockchain. Flow blockchain is specifically for NFTs, and for sports NFT, that makes a lot of sense to be on Flow because I would say the most heaviest application on the blockchain are on Flow blockchain. So that gives NBA Top Shot, NFL All Day, whatever you name it, they are on Flow, and that's why we have also chosen Flow. So that's, I guess, most of the questions which were from the tech front. I don't think there's any tech question that I need to answer.
That's super helpful, Vishal. Right. I think everyone would have got a gist, right, of whatever you said. Um, Many students also have questions, right, regarding the eligibility. Guys, eligibility has been mentioned there specifically in the form. Please follow that. And if you've not got it, we also run one more WhatsApp campaign to all the applications and registration that we've received till now. Perfect. Right. Thank you so much for joining in. Vishal, anything else we'd like
I
to?
guess people want to know whether there's aptitude test or there's pattern, so please clear them. What kind of?
Got it, got it, got it. Coming to test pattern, guys, it will be more of a coding test. It will be a mix of pseudocode questions as well as DSA questions. They're the test. So you can prepare accordingly. And if you need any more updates, you can definitely reach out to a support team, right? We'll also run a WhatsApp campaign to you again with all the details regarding eligibility. 2025 students are not eligible, guys. Even 2026. Thank you so much.
Okay, Vasu, I'll take a leave here. Thank you.
Done, Vishal. Thank you so much everyone for joining in. Looking forward to meet you in person tomorrow and day after at a Noida Skill Center. Thank you so much.